In this chapter, I'm talking all about food, and what better place to do it than the only cooking school in Qatar, the Cooking Academy. Much of Qatari cuisine holds those rich colors, flavors, and textures you can expect to find across many Middle Eastern dishes, often with a local touch that really makes that plate stand out, including my personal favorite, Machboos. Although it may seem a little overwhelming with all these ingredients laid across the counter, really, once you have the preparations, you're ready to go, and the actual cooking process is not that bad. And the final result is epic. I'll deconstruct the layers of this dish so you can understand what makes our national dish so wonderful. All right, so I'm about to put on my Cooking Academy apron so we can make some machboos. Anything else I need to know before we get our hands dirty?
I would prefer you can remove your غطرة نقال.
Okay.
So
I shall take this off. So is this better?
yes.
Yeah. Actually, I feel like I'm about to ready for some cooking. Okay, so you're gonna tell me what's going on. What's the first thing we need to do for machboos?
First thing, we will go to fry the onions and machboos.
So the first
it will
thing
give
is
you the texture, the flavor, and the color as well.
Do we put onions immediately in, or do we put them oil?
We'll start with the ghee.
Okay.
Little bit ghee. Some people use butter.
Okay.
But I prefer ghee, which gives us a better flavor. So we're not going to use the whole amount. We'll keep some for the garnishing.
Okay. Essentially, all of the same ingredients would be used. So even our spices are kind of the same. Is it all cumin, turmeric? Those are prominent spices in our food?
Spices, yes.
Are there any spices that are like unique to Qatar that you wouldn't find in other countries?
In GCC, the dried lemon is something special. Also,
you know, I like to squeeze it in my machboos. I let people that take it out and throw it away. They're like, "Ooh, I don't get those guys."
No, actually, it gives you a very strong texture.
Yeah.
Yes, it's very
fantastic.
very delicious. And I usually put extra.
You're my kind of guy, man.
Yes.
This is it. Hooking me up.
Yeah, in this stage, we can add the dried lemon. We'll add a few pieces of cardamom, 3 sticks of cinnamon. Can you smell?
I've been smelling, yeah.
You will put the chicken now to
Okay.
one step. Now we can add the garlic and ginger paste. And this will, the ginger and garlic paste is going to burn very fast.
Okay.
That's why you need to be very quick.
And you have to constantly keep stirring, right?
Yes.
You don't, if anything sticks or burns, the whole dish is ruined. We have to cover the whole chicken?
Yes.
Okay. So it has to be the chicken is completely submerged in water. Okay, so now we're putting in salt.
Yes. 1 tablespoon for now. The mixed spices.
And what kind of spices are in here? Turmeric, cumin?
Turmeric, cumin, maybe black pepper, some kind of chili. You can add
Is that coriander?
His coriander. Little bit only. This is for you if you want.
This is for me. Yes, that's definitely for me. There we go. Chili.
Chili.
Chili, chili, chili. Yes.
If you would like this yellow color, you can add a little bit turmeric.
Am I allowed to taste?
Spicy.
Is it spicy?
Yes.
Really? I think we have a different tolerance of spice. So this is what our machboos looks like. I'm so happy that I made myself machboos, and I hope it tastes as good as I expect. I cannot wait for you guys to try this when you are here in Qatar.